The cost price of a watch has increased by 20%. A trader revised the selling price of the watch to maintain the same profit percentage. It is found that he got $15 more in profit on selling the watch after he revised the selling price. Find his new profit. Well, if he is increasing the cost price and then he is increasing the selling price so that his profit percentage doesn't change. So can't we say this 20% increase in the cost price? Think about it. 20% increase in the cost price, 20% increase in the selling price will eventually give us a same percentage increase in the profit, whatever that is. And that turns out to be 15. So can we say 20% increase is same as that 15? Why? Yeah. So 100% will be into 5 times. So this will be 75. But when you do a percentage increase, that percentage is always calculated on the base. Base means initial value. So this 75 means it's the previous profit, initial profit. They are asking us new profit. So we are supposed to add that 15 because the new profit is 15 more. So if we add 15 more to this, we will get 90. Okay. See, very straightforward question, right?